Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to view your browsing history on the Google Chrome app. Whether you're trying to find a website you visited earlier or just want to keep track of your activity, this process is simple and takes only a few seconds. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see the search bar or your open tabs. Once you're inside Chrome, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. This is the menu icon, and it gives you access to more options and settings. Tap on those three dots. As soon as you do, a menu will slide open with several options to choose from. Now, from that list, tap on History. This is where Chrome stores all the websites you've recently visited while using the app. After tapping History, you'll immediately see a list of your browsing activity, usually organized by date and time. You can scroll through this list to find any page you've visited before. If you're looking for something specific, take your time and browse through the entries. If you tap on any item in your history, Chrome will instantly reopen that page for you, saving you the trouble of searching for it again.